How to update HMRC app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in the app name HMRC and search for it. With that, app will appear. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and with that your app will be updated. But if you find the option of Open as mine, that means your app is already up to date. By applying the same process, you can come to this page time and again and check if any updates are available for this app or not. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and with that your app will be updated. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily update HMRC app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.